we are live here, and we're stuck, and we took Tammy to go get her a new harness leash. See it? Isn't it so cute? Okay. Well, we were going to go to the doggy park and go for a walk, and Charity's in here. Say hi, Charity.
Hi.
And our car won't start.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
So
It's doing that funny thing it does when it messes up.
So we have to wait for here
Yeah, we have to just kind of like hang out
8 hours.
and just. What did we do though? Oh mercy! Show what you just ate. Oh. So leave us trapped in a car with strawberry cheese Danish, and that's what happens. It all goes away. and we only have just a little water. We're gonna die of starvation in water. What are we going to do?
Call Brent.
Call Brent? Brent's at work.
To get
Okay.
some drink.
All right, and Tammy apparently is just like happy as she can be. Oh, she's just watching all the doggies go by at PetSmart. Aren't you, baby? Yes, I know.
Yes,
You're
you
such
are,
a sweet
baby.
baby. Her such a sweet baby. Her gonna go for a walk. Oh, yes, we're gonna go for a walk.
Whoa.
Okay. Anyway, enough of this. We're just bored.
Yeah, we're
Okay, look, we're gonna try. Okay, everybody keep their fingers crossed. It starts. Oh man. Well.
We're dying in here.
Oh.
We're dying in here.
And we're hungry. Somebody bring us food.
Please, I
and
want a hamburger and
A
fries.
big ice water. I guess we could go over there to Chick-fil-A. No Chick-fil-A. Tammy says no Chick-fil-A. Right, Tammy?
We can just run over there and just come back over here.
No.
Get something to drink.
Okay, we're going to try one more time. Okay, come on. Fingers crossed. I wish Cogswell could figure out what's wrong with this car. Oh. We're going to have a heat stroke. See, this is okay. Anybody has any advice for this? Okay, are y'all witnessing this? Do y'all hear the sound? Okay, all my lights come on the car. And I never know when this is going to happen. It just happens. And I have it gives me all the warning lights. See, it goes through all of them. It's crazy. Cogswell cannot figure out what's wrong with it. And it doesn't always do this. But when it does it, I'm stuck. And I sit here for about 20 minutes, and then it will eventually start. See? It's not going to do it right now, but anyway. If anybody has ever seen that happen, I mean, I've even taken this video of it doing this stuff in to Cogswell, and they know exactly what it does, but they still can't figure it out. This is a 2014 Ford Explorer, and it doesn't have like 44,000 miles on it. There's no reason.
My mom has one.
Yeah, Mama got a new car.
Uh-huh.
Woo! Wish we had it. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Alright, so anyway, it just happens without warning.
Guess we're stuck.
I know. But we voted.
We vote me and her.
That's right. And who did you vote for? Who did you vote for? Okay. Enough of this silliness.
What is his name?
We're gonna give it one more time, and then we're gonna just like walk over to PDQ and get us something to drink. Cause I'm like at the point of very, very thirsty, and I'm trying to stay away from what's left of that thing over there. Okay, come on. Nope, not gonna do it. All right. Anyway, all right. Let's like take Tammy for a walk over to PDQ and let's get us a tall drink, and you can get some bug juice.
Okay, let's just go.
Say over and out.
Over now. Bye.
Sayonara.
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 Do-do-do-do. I think that means she voted for Trump.
She did too. She